doing the big cleanup, and of course they are just everywhere, little guzzies. Always helping. That's just doing chainsawing and cleaning up. So we've managed to get quite a bit of the branches on the trailer. Good team effort. The driveway is clear, thank goodness. But we still have quite a bit of trees down over here. So, got a tree blocking the road. So we're going to use the winch today to get that out the way. And yeah, still a bit of work to be done over here. Quite a few broken branches. Oh, yikes. Are we going to use the winch? You're going to help me. You're going to help Mum.
Alicia hassles me about my winch. She says it's just a toy, but that is clearly a toy.
So we have finally brought it all down into the paddock, and it's all going to be dumped on the bonfire. But we've sort of had enough for the day, so we're going to call it quits. A job for another day. But yeah, I think we did pretty well. And here's Jager with Moo.